I didn't expect Clockify to change the way I worked. I just wanted to know where my time was going. Turns out, I wasn't nearly as productive as I thought. The first few days were honestly kind of annoying. Every time I started a task, I'd have to remember to hit the timer. Half the time, I forgot. I finished an hour of work, look at the screen, and realize nothing had been tracked. I almost gave up right there. Then, after about a week, something changed. Starting the timer became automatic. I wasn't thinking about it anymore. I was thinking about the reports. That's where things got interesting. I always told myself I spent about an hour answering emails. Clockify had a different opinion. It was closer to 2. Some days, even more. That was a little painful to see. Then I started noticing patterns. I'd lose 20 minutes here, 30 minutes there. None of it felt like wasted time in the moment. But by Friday, it added up to hours. One thing I really liked was how easy it was to separate client work from my own projects. When it came time to send invoices or figure out where the week went, I wasn't guessing anymore. Now it isn't perfect. If you're the type of person who hates tracking every little thing, Clockify isn't magically going to fix that. You still have to build the habit. The app can't do that part for you. As for the paid features, honestly, I think most freelancers can get pretty far with the free plan. I'd only upgrade if I needed the extra reporting or I was managing a team. So, after using Clockify for 30 days, would I keep it? Yeah. Not because tracking time is fun, it's not. I'd keep using it because it stopped me from lying to myself about where my day was actually going. And that turned out to be a lot more valuable than another productivity app with a bunch of fancy features. If you're deciding between Clockify and another time tracker, don't ask which one has the longest feature list. Ask which one you'll actually remember to use every single day. That's the one that'll save you the most time. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.